Review on NMDC. Let's go to the rankings. Earnings rank is 47.4, way below 50. A stock is good to track is only when the ranking is above 70. So once the ranking goes above 70, start tracking the stock. When it goes above 80, look for buying opportunity. After it goes to 80, between 80 to 100, we might think there is only 20 point space to move up, while that is a space where stocks give multi-bagger returns. So anything less than 70 is not worth a look at all. That is on the profit growth rank. Coming to price rank, it is even more lesser at 38.4. Very poor ranking. That is, nobody is interested to buy this stock. That is why stock is either slowly inching down or taking a deep cut. If you see the pattern of price rank chart, it started at 38.9 in July. It was at 38.9 in July, went up to 70, above 70 also in early September, then dropped down again back at 38.4 now. It's gone nowhere. That's why we put this image of that boy running the wheel where it is going nowhere. Beautiful image where we stand at the same place while the wheel is rotating. So NMDC belongs to the metal sector. Metal sector is the leader today in the market. If there is a leader in the leading sector and stock is not leading in that sector, better not be invested in it. The leader in the metal sector today is JSW Steel, which has fantastic returns given to its investors, followed by Jindal Steel, Hindalco, Tata Steel. In this batch, if we compare NMDC is very, very poor. From March, the leader in the pack is given 171%. JSW Steel is given 171% returns to its investors, whereas NMDC is given only 47%. Why should we miss an opportunity to make 3 times returns by staying with the leader instead of coming to these kind of stocks where returns are very, very low? So somebody who wants to buy these kind of stocks should have a rethink whether we are here to make significant money or just little money. Metal sector has been an outperformer and leaders are doing great. Jindal Steel, Hindalco, Tata Steel, everything is doing fantastic in the market today, whereas these stocks are not doing well. Laggards will go strong on one side, that is opposite side. If you invest in a laggard and market goes down, what happens? They will ride the downside fast. So don't be with the laggards, they will kill you. Coming to business growth also shows decline. Sales has been going south significantly. It's been having negative sales growth. Profits are even more worse. When sales is down about minus 20% growth, profit is having minus 40% growth. Its business is eroding. Again, here margins are strong at double digits. A PSU characteristic, huge margins because they don't have competition. In spite of that, company is losing. No sales, lesser profits. Don't know what is the problem. Sales is burning a hole with negative growth. Profits steep decline in spite of big margins. It needs very high caution. That is a thumbs down for the stock when it comes to business growth. Investor interest. FIs have said clear bye-bye. They have exited the stock. Significant downsizing have been done. Retails is been expecting too much due to low price. Probably they are buying the stock, while price of a stock comes down for a reason. Just like that, price will not drop. If only the company loses its value, price drops. Whereas people think that stock is now cheap compared to its previous 1 or 2 years back price, and they go and buy it only to lose more and more. Smart money has given a very clear thumbs down. They said bye-bye and they've gone. Others are on the sidelines. Very, very sad condition that retail have been accumulating this stock. All the sales that smart money and mutual funds have done, those sales have been accumulated by retail investors. Bad situation. Coming to the price chart, on the monthly, the price has got stuck. Looks like Pidilite has done great business with all the shareholders of NMDC. I just took a 3-year period, and 3-year period the stock has gone nowhere. If we go for a longer period also, like 5-6 years, still it is the same. Price is not at all going up nor down. Trend is almost absent for close to 5-6 years. This stock is neglected by everyone for several years. Looks like we don't buy this kind of stocks. That is why I don't know in depth about what is happening in the company and why it is being so much neglected. So when there is no trend in the higher time periods, come to lower time periods, it will only keep giving lot of losing trades. That's what happening here. Buy comes, it fails with very small profit, or either it's hitting a stop loss. So if suppose you are taking 10 trades in a non-trending stock, 8 can go losing, have a loss exit. Similarly, if you take a same 10 trades in a trending stock, chances are 6 will be winners. So make a choice if you want to be a winner or a loser. So there is a very big consolidation going on. Continuously losing trades will be there when consolidations are there. It will erode capital. So need to be very, very careful. It's a very, very confused stock. No trend is there in any periods. Just stay with leaders. Only there we can make money. So all the views shared are thoughts and ideas on the stock markets from our side. There are no recommendations given to buy or sell any stock. Do your judgment and make your decisions if you are buying any stock.